those are your front tires right there.
Yeah. Oh, the one in front?
That's what they're supposed to look like.
Oh. Oh, no one. I guess it's, when we got the forklift out, it's already pretty much.
Oh yeah.
So we didn't get them new anyway. So
yeah, you're not supposed to
yeah,
let it go past the number.
Oh.
Once it gets to the number, that's when it's time to change it.
Okay. I don't even know what the number is for the front anymore.
We know.
Oh,
21 sevens.
Oh, okay, 21 sevens.
But it's
so, but if I give you the VIN number, I mean not the VIN number.
Tell them Nissan 50.
You guys should
and
be able to
know exactly what it is.
Okay.
That's like that's the most normal size you can get. I mean, most of the forklifts have that on the front.
Okay, I see.
The Toyota,
and
the Mitsubishi, all of
pretty
most
much
of them have that same tire.
And they asked me if I want a smooth or traction one.
Right.
I told them smooth. That's correct, right?
Yeah, that's what you have, smooth.
But for the concrete floor, it's not traction.
Yeah.
Or no? I don't need traction for the concrete.
What you like? If you're going up that ramp a lot, you might want to put traction on the front.
Oh. Okay.
But on the back, you always go with smooth.
Okay.
Because the back doesn't pull.
Okay. It's for steering only.
Right.
Right. Okay. Yeah. I'll tell them maybe put a traction for the front instead next time.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, those are smooth. Those ones that I got to go do another job.
Okay.
But those people, they're only in the warehouse. They don't ever take it outside.
So
they don't need traction.
Oh.